Tonight I am making an Asian chicken and green beans with a black bean sauce. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen and I will show you step by step how to make this delicious chicken stir fry. I have some fresh green beans that are rinsed and cut the ends. I'm blanching the green beans and some sliced carrots for about a minute and then putting them in a cold water bath to stop the cooking. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. For the chicken, I have sliced boneless chicken breast, and I'm adding in some salt, Shaoxing cooking wine, and you can use rice vinegar, sesame oil, and cornstarch, giving that a good mix and setting to the side for about 10 minutes. In a Walker pan, add some oil and the chicken and spread out. You know the drill. Let the chicken cook for about 15 seconds before stirring. Cook and stir the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes or until done and then remove the chicken from the pan. You can also use the velveting technique for the chicken, and this gives the chicken a nice, soft, velvety, tender texture that really adds a nice contrast to the green beans. I will leave a link to the video recipe here where you can learn how to do this velveting technique. In the same pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a little more oil, minced garlic, and ginger, cooking and stirring for about 15 seconds, and then I'm adding in some diced onion and the black bean sauce. This is the black bean garlic sauce that I'm using. You can find it at most Asian markets. Black bean sauce is made from fermented black beans and has a deep umami salty flavor. It can be used as a marinade, in dipping sauce or dressings, and in stir-fries like I'm making. I'm using about a tablespoon of the black bean garlic sauce, but you can add to your taste. Cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in the green beans and carrots. Giving them a good stir to incorporate, and then I'm adding in a little water to form my sauce. Adding in some Shaoxing cooking wine or rice vinegar, a little sugar to balance the saltiness, and a little chili sambal to kick up the heat. Cook and stir to combine. And we're almost done. I'm adding in a little mushroom-flavored dark soy sauce for some extra flavor and color. In goes all the chicken and juices back into the pan. Cook and stir to get everything coated with that delicious sauce. And one final step. I have a mixture of cornstarch and water. I'm adding just a couple spoonfuls, and this will help thicken the sauce and produce a nice glaze. Cook and stir for about 30 more seconds, and it's done. I am a green bean lover, and this Asian chicken stir-fry is delicious. The black bean sauce has a nice, deep, rich flavor, a nice balance of saltiness, sweetness, and spiciness. I love all the textures, and it is very satisfying. I hope you give this Asian chicken and green bean stir-fry a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!